In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a date to text in Excel. This is a quick and simple formatting task, and it's useful when you want Excel to treat a date as plain text instead of as a date value. For example, this can help when you're preparing data for export, preventing Excel from automatically reformatting entries or keeping the display exactly the way you want it. To begin, select the cells that contain the dates you want to convert. You can click a single cell if you only need to change one date, or click and drag to highlight a range of cells if you're working with multiple dates at once. Make sure you've selected the correct entries before moving on, especially if your worksheet contains a mix of dates, numbers, and text. Once the cells are selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. This is where most of the basic formatting tools are located, including options for changing how data appears in your spreadsheet. If you're already on the Home tab, you're ready for the next step. Now look for the number group. In that section, you'll see the number format drop-down menu. This is the menu Excel uses to decide whether a cell should be treated as a date, number, currency, percentage, text, and more. Click that drop-down, then choose text from the list. As soon as you apply the text format, Excel will treat those selected cells as text going forward. This is one of the simplest ways to convert dates to text in Excel. It's especially helpful if you want to stop Excel from changing the format automatically, or if you need to preserve the content in a text-based format. One thing to keep in mind is that formatting a cell as text affects how Excel handles the value. But if dates were already entered before the format change, you may sometimes need to re-enter them for Excel to fully recognize them as text. That depends on how your worksheet is set up and how the dates were originally entered. So, to recap in a natural workflow, select the date cells, open the Home tab, go to the number group, and change the number format to text. That's it. This method is fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for simple date-to-text conversion in Excel when you don't need a more advanced formula-based approach.